So, you want to be a finance hotshot? Wall Street, big banks, even bigger money. Sounds exciting, right? But behind those shiny skyscrapers and fancy suits lies a world of complex financial instruments, mind-boggling equations, and cutthroat competition. To navigate this world, you need more than just ambition. You need credibility, expertise, and a whole lot of brainpower. That's where the CFA charter comes in. Think of it as the gold standard in finance, a badge of honor that tells everyone you're not just playing with money, you're a master of the game. And like any good game, it has levels. Level 1 is your entry point, your chance to prove you've got what it takes to hang with the best. It's tough, no doubt, but trust me, the rewards are well worth the effort. So buckle up, grab your thinking cap, and let's dive into the world of CFA Level 1. This ain't no walk in the park, but hey, who wants to walk when you can conquer Wall Street? Level 1 is all about building a solid foundation. It's like learning the alphabet before you can write a novel. You'll cover a wide range of topics from the ethical dilemmas faced by financial professionals to the nitty-gritty of valuing bonds and derivatives. Don't let the breadth of the curriculum scare you though. Think of it as a crash course in everything finance. You'll get a taste of everything, figure out what you enjoy, and set yourself up for success in the later levels. The exam itself is a beast of 4.5 hours marathon testing your knowledge on 180 multiple choice questions. But hey, nobody ever said becoming a finance guru was easy. The good news? With the right preparation and a positive attitude, you can totally crush this thing. First up, we've got ethical and professional standards and quantitative methods. Ethics might sound boring, but trust me, in the world of finance, integrity is everything. You'll learn about the CFA Institute's Code of Ethics, how to avoid conflicts of interest, and why insider trading is a big no-no. Quantitative methods is where things get a bit more, shall we say, numerical. You'll dive into the world of statistics, probability, and time value of money. Don't worry, you don't need to be a math whiz. It's all about understanding the concepts and knowing how to apply the formulas. Think of it as learning a new language, the language of finance. Once you get a handle on it, you'll be speaking it like a native in no time. Next, we're moving on to economics and financial reporting and analysis. Economics is all about how the world works, from supply and demand to inflation and interest rates. You'll learn how these macroeconomic factors impact financial markets and influence investment decisions. Financial reporting and analysis is like learning to read between the lines of a company's financial statements. You'll analyze balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements to understand a company's financial health and performance. Think of yourself as a financial detective, piecing together clues to determine if a company is a good investment or a potential disaster waiting to happen. Exciting, right? Section 5. Corporate finance and stocks making money while you sleep, hopefully. Now it's time to talk about corporate finance and equity investments. In corporate finance, you'll learn how companies make financial decisions, such as raising capital, investing in projects, and managing their working capital. Equity investments is where things get interesting. You'll explore the world of stocks, learning how to value them, analyze their risk and return, and make informed investment decisions. Think of it as picking your own winning team of companies to invest in. It's like fantasy football, but with real money and potentially real rewards. Section 6. Bonds, derivatives, and alternatives, beyond the basics. Hold on tight, we're entering the world of fixed income, derivatives, and alternative investments. These are the more advanced topics covered in Level 1. But don't worry, we'll break them down for you. Fixed income is all about bonds, which are essentially loans that you make to governments or corporations. You'll learn how to value bonds, assess their credit risk, and manage a bond portfolio. Derivatives are financial instruments that derive their value from an underlying asset, like a stock or a commodity. They can be complex, but they're also a powerful tool for managing risk and speculation. Finally, alternative investments cover everything from real estate and private equity to hedge funds and commodities. You'll get a broad overview of these alternative asset classes and how they can be used to diversify a portfolio. Section 7. Portfolio management. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Unless last but not least, we have portfolio management. This is where everything comes together. You'll learn how to construct and manage a diversified portfolio of assets, taking into account your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. Think of yourself as a financial architect, designing a portfolio that can weather any market storm and help you achieve your financial dreams. It's about finding the right balance between risk and return, and making sure your money is working as hard as you are. Section 8. Study tips: how to conquer CFA Level 1 without losing your mind. Now let's talk strategy. How do you actually conquer this beast of an exam? First, get yourself a study plan. Don't wing it. Break down the syllabus into manageable chunks and schedule regular study sessions. Practice, practice, practice. The CFA Institute provides tons of practice questions. Use them, make flashcards, join a study group, whatever works for you. Remember, consistency is key. Don't cram everything in at the last minute. Make studying a habit, even if it's just for 30 minutes a day. And don't forget to take breaks. Burnout is real, people. Section 9, the finish line. Reap the rewards of your hard work. So, you've put in the hours, you've conquered the curriculum, and you've aced the exam. Congratulations, my friend, you're one step closer to becoming a CFA charter holder. But the benefits of passing Level 1 go beyond just letters after your name. You've gained valuable knowledge, honed your analytical skills, and demonstrated a commitment to ethical and professional standards. These qualities will serve you well throughout your career in finance, opening doors to new opportunities and propelling you towards success. The CFA journey is challenging, no doubt, but it's also incredibly rewarding. So, embrace the challenge, stay focused, and never give up on your dreams of conquering the world of finance. You got this.